Here's your opportunity to own your own Veitch 27, renowned for a high-tech design with resin-infused hull, 25.5 degree dead rise, options to the max, option with the V8 Verados Mercury 300 horsepower. They've just been serviced, low hours. She's got the Seakeeper with the Seakeeper ride. This is the ultimate offshore game fishing boat. So come and join us for a sea trial. This little girl has all the toys. She's got the Skyhook, she's got the digital throttles, 16-inch GARMIN screens, FLIR camera. She's even got the upgraded 600-litre fuel tank. All the rod holders that are adjustable. She's got the extended bimini with the rocket launcher and rod holders, the Outriggers which are carbon, so she's fully set up for that ultimate fishing trip and boys weekend. 5 blokes, no problem. The Seakeeper keeps us totally steady at rest. And just check out this cockpit, it's huge. It even has upgraded 400 amp hour of lithium. Lots of refrigeration just down here. You've got esky spaces under the seats, big kill tanks. We have the infill, which also converts into a queen bed. And if you really got to go, she's got a toilet down here just for you. This is one sexy offshore game fishing boat that is trailable.